Hello, welcome back. In our previous video, WordPress web design series, I showed you how we created our about page, our home page, and today I'm going to show you how we are going to create our surface page. So first and foremost, let me take you back to our website. Okay, this is how we created our home page. This was our home page. Okay, you see I showed you how we created all of this. Okay, I showed also how to create about us page. Okay, you see the reasons to why I didn't finish this website quickly, I traveled somewhere. So today I said let me just make for you our third series. Okay, so let me show you what I achieved. So this is our surface page. This is what I created. Okay, this is what I created. So I put the kind of surfaces that we are offering, then our experience it that way. This is the kind of client we have done a business with them, and these are the tasks that we have finished. Okay, as work now, this is like a portfolio. You can write your portfolio if you want, but for me I wrote here our work. So if you click here, you will see a bigger picture. Okay, this is how it is. Then here you can be able to scroll from here. You can see another photo, another one, another one, another one, and so forth. Okay, down here I did put a call to action, as you can see, like the previous one. Let me show you from here. Yeah, like this one. Okay, or also let me show you from here. It is also here. So in our pages, all of this will be appearing there except the contact page. So what we do, so that I can show you how I achieved this one, what I have to do, we'll go back to our dashboard, then I'll create a page. Okay, let me add a page so that I can show you how I created it. So this page, I'll say, let's write it, let's say sample, then I publish it. I publish it again. Now here we will come here to WP, Ocean WP setting. Then we need to set this one. We don't need a square one, so we write it. We click here to full width, and then we come to title. We say disable the title. Okay, that's what we have. Now it is still updating, so we wait it a bit. So the next thing we need to do is to come here to Elementor. We click here, edit with Elementor. This is how it is. First, it seems like our page is not here. So what I'll do, I'll have to exit the dashboard first. Then let's update this one. So we'll come here to appearance. Then we go to menu. We click here on menu. From the menu, our page is here sample. So we just click. Then we add it to our menu. Okay. Then we save. So now if we come here to our website and then we refresh, you will see our page is here. Okay, this is our page. As you can see, it is empty, there is nothing. Okay, so I'm going to show you step by step on how we can achieve this one here. Okay, all right. Okay, let's go back. So we go to our pages, click all our pages, then we come to our sample page, then we say edit with Elementor. Now this is where we begin now. Okay, so from here I'm going to click on this magenta part, then I'll click sync on like that. Then from here I'll stretch it, click here to stretch. Then here I'm going to select here full width. Then we say the minimum height. Here we take it mini height. Then actually we don't need even, because previously I had saved this part. Okay, let me show you. I had saved this part. That's the beauty of Elementor. So what I'll do, I'll even delete this one. Then I'll come here to the template. Then I'll click to the template. Then I'll come to my template. I'll click here to my template. So here what we come and say, we click on this one, about header. So I'll click there. Then I'll say yes. You see, it has come here. Okay, so what we do, we click here. Actually we click here, then we type our surface, our surfaces. Oh, sorry. What am I writing here actually? Our surfaces. Okay, that's how it's supposed to be. Then we don't need photo. This photo we don't need it. So what we do, we have to put another photo here. So we will go to style. First we have to click here like so. Then we will come to style. Then we say we don't need this one. Then we select another one. Our previous photo is here, so we will click on this photo, we insert it. That's how it is now. Okay, then we say update, click on update. Okay, so let me show you again. We go to this page so that we can reference. So that is, but you can see it is too much blue, and then from here it's not that blue. So what I will do, I'll click here again, then we'll come here, then the color overlay, then we select this one. Let's say we will select something like so, and this one here, then we update. Yeah, it is here. Say background overlay, we click this one, then we are going to select this part here. Let's say somewhere like that, then we update. Okay, so the next thing, let me take you back. Let me take you to about, our home page. Yeah, so this part here, I'm going to copy this part from my website, then I'll fix it to the other part. We will fix to this part. So what we come and click here again, then we say customers. It is this one, so I insert it and I say yes. See, that's how it is. So from here now we are going to delete this part here. We delete this, also we delete this one, and even we delete this one also, like so. Sorry. So from here now, what I will do, let's reference here. No, not this page. Let's reference from this page. It is this one here. Okay, so what we can do here is we are going to delete this, all of this. Okay, so what we are going to put here, we'll come to this part, we click here, then we say we need icon box. We will put icon box here like so. So here we come and say web design. So we will select this one, then we type here desktop. It is this one. Then from here we will type this part here, web design. Okay, like so. Then we need to change the color. If you see here, it is orange. Okay, so we will do the same. So we will come here and come to style. From the style we select this one, then we say we need orange. I think that orange is okay, right? Then I'll copy this one, then we go back to content, and then this content here, this one. Okay, so we will come to style, then we will come to content, then content color, we will select just this color here, like this. And then maybe what else we need to do? Okay, typography, here it is Lato. Select Lato. Okay, it is Lato. Then we will increase, let's say 24 is okay. 24 is okay. Then this one, paragraph, typography here, then this one we can put it 16, like that. And then we change also to be Lato, our font to be Lato, like so. Then what I will do, just a matter of copying. I'll have to copy this, then here I paste the style. Okay, let's say we will delete this. Also we delete this, and then we are going to copy this one, duplicate, and then also we will duplicate this one also, duplicate, like so. So here the only thing we need to do here is now to change the icon and the service we are offering here. Okay, so we reference, so this one is online marketing, so we'll just come to this one, and then here we say online marketing. Okay, and then let's copy this, then we paste style, like so. So this one also, what we will do, we will make this one say web, like that. Okay, now we need to change the icon. The icon of this one is Amazon. Yeah, that one, it's like that. Also this one, so we reference this one is brand identity or brand strategy. So we will come and click on this one, then we type here brand, okay, brand strategy, and then let me see the icon. Okay, yes, so we will click on this one, then we look for the icon. Let me look for the icon, or we can put anything else. Let me check the best icon. I don't know why it's very far like that, but we will get it now. Let me look for it. is it? Guys, I think I'll end up putting another icon, not the same. Okay, so let me look for it first. If I won't get it, then I'll put a different icon. I don't know why I can't get it now. I don't know why. Okay, let's put anything else. Let's put anything else. Yes, I've seen something here. Yeah, let's put this one. Now, once we have finished putting all of this one like this, so the only thing we need to do, we just click on this one, then we say duplicate. So we have duplicated another part of our surface. So what we do, we come here, we reference, this one is ICT training, so we type here ICT. What am I doing? ICT training. Okay, and then let's see the okay, let's look that icon. I don't know why I can't find these icons now. Oh, it is here. So the next one